Here's a new idea for a modern tapa or shared appetizer. Pimentón BBQ Rubbed Pork with Tapenade and Truffle Crackers. First, we'll need to prepare the barbecue rub marinade. In a small bowl, add the Pimentón Ahumado La Chinata, cumin, salt, and pepper. Next, we'll coat our pork tenderloin. I'm using Alta Expresión Selección de Montanera pork tenderloin, which is made from world-renowned acorn-fed 100% Ibérico pork from Spain. When the flavors from the Pimentón BBQ rub are nicely infused, sear the tenderloin until done. Then thinly slice the pork. I'm serving the sliced pork with red pepper tapenade with Paul and Pippa Gourmet Food truffle-flavored crackers. There you have it, Pimentón BBQ Rubbed Pork with tapenade and truffle crackers. Your guest will love this unique combination of flavors.